Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today's video is a bit different because we need to talk. This right here is the Hot Wheels Elite 64 Freightliner Cascadia, a massive truck, fully die-cast, built to impress. But here's the thing, this exact piece once cost $50. Yes, 50. And now, it's being sold to collectors for $250 or more. That's a 5x markup, and for what? It's clean, yes. It's detailed, but is it $250 clean? We've seen collectors just like us jump on this release thinking it's something special, and instead, we're being priced out of the hobby we love. At the end of the day, we're not just paying for metal and rubber, we're paying for exclusivity. And let's be honest, it feels like we're being played. But all right, let's not let frustration win. Let's actually see what we paid for. Okay, let's open the box. The packaging is definitely premium. Matte black, thick cardboard, and Elite 64 branding all over it. Let's slide it open. And there it is, the Freightliner Cascadia. Let's take a closer look at the truck first. It's big, it's bold, and that matte black finish does look amazing. The grille is sharp, the mirrors are crisp, and the cab feels heavy and well-balanced in your hand. Definitely one of the most intimidating Hot Wheels trucks ever made. Now let's move on to the trailer. And wow, this thing is long. The multi-level platform is solid metal, with intricate ramps, golden paint accents, and a really nice rolling base. You could haul almost anything on this. Together they make one serious hauler. But is it worth $250? We'll let you be the judge. Thanks so much for watching today's unboxing. Let us know in the comments. Would you spend $50 on this set? Or do you think Mattel went too far this time? We post new die-cast videos every single day at 8 p.m. CET, and sometimes even more than one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll see you again tomorrow.